In this video, you are going to learn how to write an equivalent expression given an expression. Using this example on the screen, it states Nancy wrote the expression 1/2 x minus 12 to represent the relationship in a table. Use property of operation to write an equivalent expression. We have several different properties of operation. We have the distributive, we have associative, and we also have commutative, right? In different videos, you will learn to use different properties to write equivalent expression. However, in this video, we are going to use commutative property to write equivalent expression. Before we go into our example, we need to know what we mean by the term equivalent. Equivalent means the same, even though they look different. For example, let's say that we have 1/2 equals to 4/8. Both of these ratios or fractions are equivalent. Even though they look different, the quantity is the same. What do I mean by that? If I should simplify this fraction here, I will get 1/2 because 4 into 7 goes 1 and 4 into 8 goes 2. So basically 1/2 is the same as 4/8. They are the same amount. They are the same quantity. All right. Also, we need to know what we mean by commutative property. So commutative law property means that we can swap numbers over and still get the same answer when we add or multiply them. All right, so we are going to demonstrate that using this example. So in our original expression that was given in the problem, it says 1/2 x minus 12. We are going to write an equivalent expression for this expression here using the commutative property. So all we are going to do is to move around these terms. So we have two terms in this expression. We have positive 1/2 x and we have minus 12. All right. So as we said, we are going to use commutative property and it means to move around or swap. So I'm going to write my minus 12 over where I have my positive 1/2 x. So it's going to be minus 12, which is negative 12. Then I am going to swap or write my positive 1/2 x where I have my minus 12. So it's going to be plus. This is how we represent positive here. Because remember, we need to separate this term. So we use plus 1/2 x. All right. So commutative property, as we said, is that when we swap numbers over, we still get the same answer if we should add or multiply them. So when I swap positive 1/2 x with minus 12, I get negative 12 plus 1/2 x. Is the same thing as what we have in the original expression. All we did was to rearrange the term. All right. So we can say that negative 12 plus 1/2 x is equivalent to 1/2 x minus 12. So this is how you use the commutative property to write an equivalent expression. As we said, commutative means to move around. All right. But remember, when you swap the terms or you move the terms around, whatever sign is in front of that number or that term, you write it back when you rearrange them. Just like when we have here the minus 12, we bring the minus sign with the 12.